The Toyota Corolla is preparing for one of the most important transformations in its long and legendary history. As the world's best-selling car nameplate, the Corolla has always represented reliability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. For decades, it has been the safe and sensible choice for millions of drivers around the globe. Now, as the automotive industry shifts toward electrification and bold new design philosophies, Toyota is ready to reinvent the Corolla for a new era. The next-generation Corolla is expected to arrive with a striking new look, advanced technology, and, for the first time, a lineup that includes both hybrid and fully electric powertrains. This upcoming Corolla represents a clear departure from the conservative styling that has traditionally defined the model. Toyota appears ready to embrace a far more expressive and futuristic design language, inspired by recent concepts and the brand's latest electric vehicles. Sharp body lines, aggressive lighting signatures, and a sleeker overall profile suggest that the next Corolla will be designed to stand out rather than blend in. The familiar compact proportions remain, but they are now wrapped in a more dynamic and modern silhouette that reflects changing consumer expectations and a younger, more design-conscious audience. The front of the new Corolla is expected to feature slim LED headlights and a cleaner, more aerodynamic face, especially on electrified versions where traditional grilles are no longer necessary. Full-width lighting elements and illuminated details hint at Toyota's desire to give the Corolla a strong visual identity even from a distance. At the rear, a more sculpted design and modern light treatment help reinforce the car's futuristic direction. Overall, the new Corolla looks less like a simple commuter car and more like a compact vehicle designed for the next decade of mobility. Inside, the transformation is expected to be just as significant. The next-generation Corolla is likely to feature a minimalist and tech-focused interior, with fewer physical buttons and a greater reliance on digital displays. A large central touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, and enhanced connectivity features are expected to become standard across much of the lineup. Toyota is expected to prioritize intuitive user interfaces, improved voice control, and seamless smartphone integration, ensuring that the Corolla remains competitive in a market where technology is increasingly important to buyers. However, the most important evolution of the Corolla is happening beneath the surface. Toyota is preparing to expand the Corolla's powertrain lineup to include a broader range of electrified options than ever before. Hybrid technology will continue to play a central role, building on Toyota's decades of experience in this field. The next Corolla hybrid is expected to be more efficient, smoother, and potentially more powerful than the current model, offering improved fuel economy and lower emissions without sacrificing everyday usability. Toyota may also refine its hybrid system by improving battery efficiency and electric motor performance. This could result in better acceleration, quieter operation, and enhanced responsiveness, especially in urban driving where electric assistance is most noticeable. There is also speculation that all-wheel drive hybrid versions could be offered in select markets, providing improved traction and versatility for drivers in colder or more demanding conditions. Perhaps the most groundbreaking development for the Corolla is the anticipated introduction of a fully electric version. This would mark a historic moment for the nameplate, as Toyota has traditionally prioritized hybrid technology over full battery electric vehicles. A Corolla EV would signal Toyota's growing confidence in electric mobility and its willingness to bring EV technology to one of its most important global models. The electric Corolla is expected to focus on efficiency, affordability, and practicality rather than extreme performance, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. While official specifications have not yet been confirmed, the electric Corolla is expected to offer a competitive driving range suitable for daily commuting and longer trips. Toyota's reputation for reliability and battery durability will be a key factor in convincing buyers to embrace an electric Corolla, especially those transitioning from traditional gasoline or hybrid vehicles.
By offering both hybrid and electric options under the same familiar nameplate, Toyota aims to make electrification feel less intimidating and more approachable. There is also the possibility of a plug-in hybrid variant joining the lineup. A plug-in hybrid Corolla would allow drivers to complete short daily trips using electric power alone, while still benefiting from a gasoline engine for longer journeys. This type of powertrain could appeal to buyers who want some of the benefits of electric driving without fully committing to an EV, particularly in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing. Toyota's strategy with the new Corolla reflects a broader understanding of global market diversity. Not all regions are moving toward electrification at the same pace, and consumer needs vary widely. By offering multiple powertrain options, Toyota can adapt the Corolla to different markets without abandoning the core qualities that have made it successful. This flexible approach allows the Corolla to remain relevant in countries with strict emissions regulations, as well as in regions where hybrids remain the most practical solution. Despite these major changes, Toyota is expected to maintain the Corolla's reputation for affordability, reliability, and low ownership costs. These qualities have been central to the model's success for decades, and Toyota knows that losing them would risk alienating its loyal customer base. The challenge lies in integrating advanced technology and electrified powertrains while keeping the Corolla accessible to mainstream buyers. The new Corolla also reflects Toyota's broader design and engineering philosophy as it enters a new era. Rather than treating electric vehicles as separate niche products, Toyota appears to be integrating electrification into its core lineup. This approach allows iconic models like the Corolla to evolve naturally rather than being replaced or sidelined by entirely new names. For many buyers, this continuity will make the transition to electrified mobility feel more familiar and less disruptive. As the expected launch window approaches, interest in the next-generation Corolla continues to grow. Automotive enthusiasts are eager to see how far Toyota is willing to push the design, while everyday buyers are focused on efficiency, reliability, and value. The combination of bold styling, modern technology, and a wide range of powertrain options suggests that Toyota is aiming to satisfy both groups. If Toyota delivers on its promises, the new Corolla could become one of the most important compact cars of the decade. It has the potential to redefine what a mainstream compact vehicle can be, proving that efficiency and reliability no longer have to come at the expense of design and innovation. By embracing hybrid and electric power while preserving its core identity, the Corolla is poised to remain a global bestseller in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. Ultimately, the next Toyota Corolla represents a bridge between tradition and the future. It honors the legacy of a model that has served generations of drivers, while boldly stepping into an electrified and digitally connected world. Whether buyers choose a hybrid or a fully electric version, the new Corolla is shaping up to be more than just a successor. It is a reinvention designed to carry one of the most famous automotive names into a new era of mobility.